So I will also ask you some questions like before
Yeah,
ending
tell
one,
me, tell me,
because
tell
you
me,
are
tell me.
so you are also having session daily. Actually, I seen that you have session yesterday also in Christmas. I have
Yeah,
seen the post.
this week I has every day.
Uh,
I did every day.
uh, uh, uh. Okay. So how you will prepare questions based on their profile?
I basically see it's very good for me that I prepare them because I don't questions related to UPSC. Okay, so like how to prepare for
Okay.
mains and other stuff. I don't do it for anybody because that may know to. So I am rather interested because as I'm a normal person, I don't have any idea like what's the role of an IAS, IPS. Like I know a basic concept. So it's like I don't need to prepare much. So what comes in my mind, I ask them. So it's for me, I
Okay.
don't need to
Okay.
prepare
Okay.
much. That's the issue.
How do you find people? But I have seen that you have interviewed people from different walks of life. Like not only like UPSC, you have find some people from state services also, and from in some like different side also. I have seen some people. So I couldn't remember the name. How you are finding those people? So do you have any criteria like tick mark like
Mm,
1, 2, 3? They okay selected.
no, nothing like that. So basically, when I started, so I just even wanted to do the session with the bureaucrats and the pilots of our nation. So and then
Okay.
things went on. So I did session with two, three international pilots, also someone from Spain,
Okay.
Germany, and US Air Force also. So I just normally find out people's and I want to share one thing. I think this is gonna be controversial. That is, there are a lot of officers or rather pilots who have a huge fan base and it's very tough to get them on the panel. So
Pilot. Yeah.
yeah, and the interesting
Uh,
part is I have spoken to a lot of officers till now. Okay, even you won't remember, it is like at the 6 I called him like, sir, we are going to do at 9. So he's like, yeah, done, I will be home back, we'll do it. And exactly at 8 he like got some issues with this. It especially happens with IPS officer and I understand. So we couldn't make it. So this things also
okay.
happens and sometimes गालियां भी पड़ता है मेरे को. जैसे कि मान लो सर आपके पोस्टर मैंने डाल दिया, ठीक है, अभी आपको कोई इमरजेंसी है, यू नीड टू गो. तो फिर आपके जो फैन फॉलोइंग्स होंगे ना, वो मेरे को गालियां देता है, लाइक क्यों नहीं किया तूने क्यों नहीं किया. ब्रो मैंने थोड़ी ना नहीं किया. Sometimes you cannot share, so these are also part of a game. It's okay.
Okay, okay, okay. So, what's your memorable interview session you had? Something like unexpected thing that made you feel bad that I shouldn't have asked this question to this person. Like that, anything happened like that?
Nothing like that. Anything feel bad because I think uh, all people are very correct on their words nowadays. So they don't make you
Okay.
feel bad if when you,
So you didn't
especially
get
if you.
any content for your thumbnail. Huh?
Sorry, I couldn't get. Can you
Controversial.
just get?
So everyone, you said that everyone is correct with their word. So I am saying that you don't get any controversial wordings as a content for your thumbnail, YouTube
नहीं
thumbnail.
तो I'm not a reporter ना, तो मेरे को controversy चाहिए ही
Uh-huh.
नहीं. So it's
Okay,
like a
okay,
different thing.
okay,
It's a podcast, so I don't need controversies for that. So it's like
okay,
that's a
okay,
different
okay,
ball game. Like that, reporters need
okay,
this
okay.
thing. I don't need it.
Uh-huh.
Next
So you
question.
don't. It's
मेरे को
going in a
मजा आया
ulta
आज
way.
पहली बार कोई मेरे को सवाल कर रहा है, मेरे को बड़ा मजा आ रहा है.
Uh-huh, uh-huh.
Next question.
Okay, okay, okay. So do you have anything like wish lists? I have to do interview of this particular person for sure in a few days. In a very few days, you have some person in mind. I want to do this interview with that particular person, but that person is not giving you a time to speak with you, like appointment or something. Do you have any person in mind by now?
Actually, yeah, I like a person. See, I like the person. I forgot the name. I forgot the
See.
name. Actually, he is the defense minister of Canada. He's a Sardar.
o-
Okay,
Okay.
so I
Uh-huh.
personally like that person a lot, and I love that person the way he does it. And so I tried to connect him, and I mailed him also, but I didn't know things how happened. You know how it happens with the defense ministry of a different
Defense
country.
ministry. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So yeah, I got reply from their side also. Oh yeah, I got
Mm.
the name. His name is Harjit Sajjan. He is the defense minister of
Okay.
Canada. So I tried to connect him with him. I have a plan to do one session with him someday. Let's see. We'll do it.
Okay. Then ping me. I also join in the live session and put comments.
Definitely. But I don't think it's going to happen because, you know, those
Uh-huh.
people, I don't think how they do it. I need to still learn a lot of protocols and other things. And I don't think they
Okay.
would answer my silly questions also.
Okay. So actually, I think the paper behind you, newspaper behind you is Bengali newspaper, right? Bengali or Hindi?
Yeah, it's mixed.
Mixed.
You
Okay.
can
Does
you
it
read
have it?
Bengali? Can you read Bengali?
No. It's not Hindi, so it might be Bengali.
Yeah.
I can read Hindi,
Actually,
no.
it's no, it's actually Assamese.
Assamic. Acha.
Yeah, yeah. There is just
Okay.
one difference between Assamese and Bengali, just a one word, and everything is same.
What's that word?
I don't know how it called. I think ba. I think that B
Okay.
is different.
Okay, that particular letter.
That later is different. Otherwise, everything
Okay.
is same.
Uh-huh. So
Yeah.
any reason behind that news thing? Like you have selected some news and pasted, or just the random newspaper cuttings?
Random newspaper. I needed a background, so I made an amazing
Okay.
background. Then we were
Mm.
painting our home, so that
Mm.
guy did his creativity. That background went.
So you have covered with your creativity. Mm-hmm.
Oh, amazing. Acha, he's
Fine.
Venkatesh sir is writing Bengali.
So
My God.
he's like Tripura Kadar guy. So he's learning Bengali and Assam, I think. So Assam also.
अच्छा he's posted in Tripura.
Tripura Kadar.
अच्छा अरे बहुत बहुत अच्छा जगह है मैंने 2-3 बार घूमा है मस्त जगह है वो
Okay, you go to him. You if you want to go any places in
हाँ
Tripura,
see he
actually there
wrote
is
your
no.
name in Bengali see he's right he wrote your name in Bengali
Uh,
Ram Sundar
uh, Acha.
perfect
I think his Google Translator is working very fast.
oh that's called friendship
Uh, uh,
इसमें मजा
okay,
आया
so actually there is nothing much to visit in Tripura, but if you want to visit something in Tripura, no, so you can contact Mr.
अब ये
Venkateswaran.
आप you gave me controversy अब इसको मैं prompt करके ये डालूंगा how an IFS officer reacts against Tripura I asked this question to very little bit of people, those who comes frank that first time when you felt that I became an officer, okay, up to I got a lot of power, that car and all, okay, how you felt like अब तो मैं सब मेरी बातों पे चलेगा how you feel that
Actually, no, I was expecting like after clearing UPSC. So I was waiting in my home so that lot of media persons will come to my home with the mic in their hand and ask me, oh, how is your success story? Who are the person? I have already listed this. I should say my mother first, second father, then my sister, like that. I have list, but no one came to my home also. So it was like this thing. So we do have some expectation after clearing the exam, like 2 or 3 days we feel like a celebrity, we have achieved or something, like we are going to do a lot of things. But after you go into the training phase you will have a lot of people who have cleared UPSC and you are with them, so you will
you
be
were
like
with
one among the common. Labasna and IGNFA also. There will be a lot of people who have cleared UPSC and you are like one among them, like you are one among the common. Then you develop the feel that you are the people, you are like common people, so you dress in that. Then after coming to state, after coming to Gaya, now I am an officer. So there I felt that they will be treating me like good, they treat me good. Like when I am coming, they will make sure that door is open, so they will clean the room before I am coming, this kind of thing. That's like a basic thing. If you go to hotel also they will do the thing. So that time I felt good, but also I don't like this kind of extra bureaucratic quotas. It was there in the back, they used to follow, but I don't like this kind of culture. Someone opening my car door, someone taking my water can when I am going walking, someone carrying. So I don't like these things. I want, if I'm able to do certain things, I will do. But if I can't do these things, if I need help, I will ask you. So that's the kind of thing. So I never allowed people. They used to do certain things. But later I told them, you don't do these things, and if I am not expecting them to do these things, they will stop doing these things also. They know how to treat those officers. These people know, like our junior staff and those people who is taking care of caretaker in our guest house, and those people, they know how to treat the people accordingly, how what they are expecting. If you are not expecting, no, so they will be treating people. And it's difficult to change the people who are very old, like old
Yeah.
caretaker. He will be stick to those things. He will only open the door. He will only do
And
certain things.
listen
He
to
will not
you.
allow. So, but I will never allow those people who are younger to me and who are in the youth stage, who will be around my age, to do those things. If you are restricting them to do these things, they will learn in the future also. I don't allow them to do those things, like extra colonial things. I feel it as a colonial thing that like we are now we are not a now we are like equal persons. Everyone is equal. I am doing a certain kind of work and he is doing a certain kind of work. His work is more necessary for me, and my work is more necessary for him also. So it's like mutual thing. We are like mutual beings. So I never, like you have said lot of things. I also face lot of kind of like a lot of luxury things. I couldn't name it correctly in English or whatever language, but I think you people can understand things what I am saying. So I never allow those people who are young, who are newly joined, to do these kind of things. Okay, like opening the car, or they will wait for me until my car crosses the gate of my guest house or something. I don't allow them. I will ask them to, okay, go, I will leave by myself. And sometimes I don't inform them also. I will take my water can, I will fill the water. There is hot water, of course, it's winter season. There is jug outside, I used to fill it. I will get into car and go over. So they don't know where the sir went also. So then one day they told me, and sir, at least you say where you are going, because we will face you if you gone missing like that. So like I don't depend on people, and I feel that upcoming officers, everyone should follow this, and so that we could change this setup in the future. These
Yeah.
guys know that young people who are junior staff, they will learn from us and they will not follow in the future. So that is the thing. We should not think it as a power or something. I don't think it, but I feel guilty for that. If someone is doing such things, no, like opening the door or waiting for me. And one more thing I find there is that I don't want to mention or tell it in a wrong way. Like some people, no, I feel like when I'm doing something good for them or distributing certificates or something, they will touch our feet also. So this was something here. It's like most respectable thing. So I don't allow that also. I will think that I am very young. I am not that much very big uh, to bless you or something. You have done some skills. You are interested to get that honor. You are eligible to get that certificate or something, and you are like my brother or you are elder to me. You don't touch my feet or something for that getting. No, I avoid them. So I even told them in harsh manner, don't touch it. I will order them not to do these things, like extra things, like don't. That thing is also, I felt it is very common here. Like it's okay for some old person. Like if the ranger is like very old person, he is like about to retire 60 years, 80 years. That depends on the person to person, but not. I don't allow those people that these kind of things also. So this is the thing that it's like small thing that we need to change, and they are used to it, and we need to change that lot of things
I
also.
think this,
Like working with people.
this, as we say, that young India is coming. I think, and you all are the perfect example that we're gonna have a
Yeah.
different
But
style.
the thing is that there is also a report like that North India, there is young population is more. Like South India is aging. We have the aging population is more, and we have a lot of. I think the Bihar is the state with lot of youth in all over India. I don't know I am correct or not. I have read it somewhere. That Bihar is the people. I could see the lot of youth everywhere. When I go out, no, I will see all of my age are 2 years below me, 2 years above me. Like very old people is very less here. Like there is very full of you. When we can put those energy in a very good way, I will think that we can bring back the glory of Bihar. We could fill the gap that is existing, like in the way of tourism or in the way of developing the human development index and
Yeah,
everything.
तुम्हें
We can make
मौका
it
देंगे
very
ना
strong.
कहीं पे हो तो.
I couldn't get you.
I'm telling it like I'm saying it that the way you were saying, you should give me some chance also someday.
Sure, sure, sure. I have asked you on a good interview also, no? The interview session I have conducted. So it's very
Yeah.
good, very nice.
So,
Okay.
we have to end this on this note and see. It's been an hour we are talking right now. It's been
Yeah, yeah,
exactly
yeah.
an hour. Yeah. So
Yeah, fine, fine.
before the session cuts off, because after 1 hour it gets cuts off. Thank you so much once
Okay,
more,
okay.
and
Bye, bye,
I'm
bye,
looking
bye.
forward to do
Mm.
one more session with you, and especially with Venkatesh and Prabhu sir. Together, three of you, and I
Sure,
think that's
sure.
going to be a blast.
Sure, 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 sure,
Till
sure.
then, take care.
Okay, okay, okay. Bye, bye, bye.
Yeah.